Good morning, students. This is the first video of the chapter Political Parties, and this video has been made for class 10th. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss the various aspects of political parties, and we will try to understand that what are the different functions of political parties. So, let us go with the simple definition of political party. So what is the simple definition? The simple definition is that it is group of people that comes together to gain power through election or to form the government by contesting in the election. Now there are three major elements of political party. In the absence of any of these elements, the political parties cannot be constructed, and cannot be formed or cannot be formed. The three elements are, first of all, the leaders, second is the active members, and the third one is follower. In the absence of any one of these elements, the political party will not form. Now let us discuss. First of all, any political party must have leader, like in case of BJP, like in case of Congress party, like in case of BJP, like in case of Samajwadi party. Got it? Similarly, many active members are there inside the political party, which are actually going to run the political party either by investment or through their work. And the third is the followers. Those who believe in particular ideology of a political party, they are going to follow that political party. So this is how the three important elements are going to play their important role in the formation of a political party, as well as the establishment and running of a political party. Now, so far as functions are concerned, the political party is going to play multifarious roles. So let us discuss one by one what are the different roles of a political party. So here, the word political party is going to talk about the general political party. Here we are not going to discuss any specific political party, but we are discussing political party as a whole. So what are those functions? So let us discuss one by one. First is there, it is written here, the political parties are going to contest elections. Of course, this is the very first function of any political party. Every political party, the first dream of every political party is to grab power. Political power is to form the government. So, in order to grab the power, political parties participate in the election. In other words, they are going to contest in the election. And if that political party will get the votes from the public, in that case, that political party will be in a position to form the government or to run the administration of a country or a state. So first role is, or first function is to contest in the election. Now after that, once the political party is going to win the election and it is going to form the government, its basic role, or the basic role, not role, basic role is to form law. So the most important function of any political party which comes to power is to form the law. And without law, we cannot expect rules and regulation. We cannot expect proper orders or system of our country. So, rule-making process is a very important process, and that will be done only by political party which comes to power. So, this is the other major function which needs to be mentioned here. Now, third is it forms and runs government. Of course, once the political party is going to get the majority through the votes, in that case, they will be able to form the government. So they are going to form the government, and as a government, first of all, they are going to make law, and second thing, of course, they are going to run the governance of the country. So they are going to form the government, either through coalition or through majority. So political parties are going to form the government either through majority, if they get the majority, or through coalition if they are not going to get the majority But anyhow, if they are going to form the coalition or they are in the majority, they will form the government, and after that the government will run accordingly. So that is the next task and most important function of the political party. Every political party is having a dream to run the governance of a country. It is a basic thing. It is a basic function of a political party. Now after that, the political party which is not going to form the government, or in other words, which is not going to form a part of the government, will be termed as the opposition party, and they are going to sit in the opposition. So one political party can be termed as ruling party if it gets majority or if it is going to form the government, whereas other political party which has also won the election but it has not got the majority, it will sit in the parliament as a opposition party. So two groups will sit together in a parliament, that is the law making body. One group will be termed as ruling party and other political party or other group or political party will be termed as opposition party. So here both the groups will sit together. And what is the basic function of opposition political party? The role of opposition political party is to oppose, to limit the power of the ruling party. If ruling party will cross this limit, or if it is going to work something that is not acceptable as per the constitution, then it is the duty of the opposition party to stop it, to oppose that particular policy of that particular government. So basically opposition is very important. Opposition political party is very important because it is going to check the power of the ruling political party. So here it is very interesting to note in India that one political party is going to be opposed or is going to be checked by another political party or group of political parties. So this is quite interesting here, and that is why it is written that the role of opposition political party is very important. So it is another function of a political party. It acts as a opposition party. Now next it is that it provides welfare schemes as well as particular mechanism that is required for running the government, running the governance of a country, and it will be provided by any political party. So here also the political parties are going to play its important role. So the political parties only different schemes are going to be lost, like we have already discussed in various classes, in economics classes, that government launched Manrega program. After that, government launched various programs like pension schemes for the old person. Similarly, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan was also launched. So various schemes will be launched only with the initiative of the political party. So political party role is very, very important because political parties are going to play decisive role and in the formation of any schemes or any particular plan. And through their contribution only, any plan or any scheme will become successful. Like we saw in the case of Jan Dhan Yojana. So Jan Dhan Yojana was launched by political parties, and with the help of only political parties, it became successful. And the people who are not getting there, people who are downtrodden, they were also included under the financial inclusion program. So we can see here the political parties are going to play decisive role. They are going to play multifarious roles, and we already discussed it. So this is all about this topic. Now come to the questions. Now here two important questions can come. The first one is that what are the elements of any political party? So you can write it is a common element, the leaders, active members and followers. So this should be your answer. So any political party consists of three elements: the leaders, active members and followers. Now next question can be asked that what are the major functions of any political party? So in the major functions you can write all these 5 important points. If the question will come of 5 marks or the question will carry 5 marks, you can easily write these 5 points. That first point is it is going to contest in the election, and through the election it can participate in the governance by getting the majority vote. Now next one is after they will come to power, after any political party will come to power, they will form law, and through the law our country is administered. Now third one is it is any political party, the dream of every political party is to form the government and to run the country. Now fourth one is the political party which is not going to get the majority, of course it will sit in the opposition in the parliament, and it will check the power of the government, or it will check whether the government is misusing its executive power or not. Now, fifth one is it provide welfare schemes to the political parties only. Various schemes have been generated, it has been launched, it has been implemented also with the help of political parties only. So success or unsuccess of any welfare scheme depends to an extent on the political party also. So we can write these important functions in your answer. Thank you so much for your time.